friends and I have been talking for a long time about going to Europe, and Paris was top of our list. We've heard so many great things. I always imagined it to be so beautiful, so we thought, why not go to Paris for a girls' trip? Yeah, so we were looking for a way to see as much of Paris as possible as soon as we got here. So we found LivTours online and got really excited that it hit all the spots we really wanted to see. We visited Sainte-Chapelle instead of Notre Dame, and while it was unfortunate we couldn't go to Notre Dame, I didn't even know Sainte-Chapelle existed, and it floored me. It was amazing. It really blew me away. The colors, just all the different stained glass windows, the complexity. We spent ages in there just trying to figure out all the stories, and it was just a really cool thing. I'm gonna recommend it to all of my friends. We really liked the fact that we were in a small group. It felt more intimate. We were able to ask Alex more questions. You know, it felt like the group itself became friends, and it's always nice to get to know more people when you're on vacation.